Is your little one ready for some fun and exciting playtime adventures? The Graco Jumpstart 4-in-1 Activity Infant Bouncer and Jumper is the ultimate solution. This innovative design transforms from a cozy infant bouncer to a fun jumper, floor seat, and even a supportive kid's chair, all in one. Watch your baby grow and explore with 4 versatile stages, tailored to their developing needs. The height-adjustable jumper seat ensures a perfect fit as they grow, while the machine-washable seat pad keeps things fresh and clean. A handy snack tray keeps those tiny fingers busy and happy. Lightweight and compact, this amazing bouncer folds easily for storage and travel, making it perfect for busy parents on the go. Supports up to 40 pounds, this Graco Jumpstart offers long-lasting comfort and fun for newborns, infants, and toddlers. Don't miss out on this amazing 4-in-1 solution for all your baby's playtime needs. Visit our product page today to learn more and order yours. Link to product page.